Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can convert your Node.js application, as you can see here, from CommonJS to using module. So module will help us to be able to use import statement. So for example, here you can see in this application, and this is the entry file here, you can see we have this const express, and you can see here we are using require and then the name of the package. But if we were using module, then we would use import express from now express package like this. So let me import like that. So if I import here express and from express here, so like that, and then be able to save this. So you can see the server is running here, and you can see we cannot be able to import using this import statement. We cannot be able to use import in the Node.js if we have not specified something. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to convert your Node.js from using CommonJS and using what we are calling now the from the CommonJS to what we are calling the module. So you need to come here to the package.json right here, and here you'll be able to specify a type. So I'm going to write here type like that, and you'll be able to see that in the type here you can see it's CommonJS or module. By default, Node.js will use CommonJS here. So I'm going to specify the module. So I'm going to click like that, and if I do that and then come back here to my entry point here in my application, if I scroll down also, you'll see that there is also will be having error, and that because now we have converted our Node.js from using the CommonJS now using modules. So what I am going to do right here, you can see we are importing the route from the routes here. So I'm going to import that also. So let's do that. And you can see here, when you're using CommonJS, is not a must that you add this .js extension here. Like, it is not a must you add this extension, but when you're using module, you must do that. So I'm going to come here and import user route like that, and then this one will be now from now routes. So you can see these are routes here, and then when I do that also, I need to come here, and you cannot leave it like that because it won't work. So you need to specify using add here .js. So you need to add this JS. If it was CommonJS, there is no need for you to add that .js. So also for the course here, I'm going to import it. So import course, and then this is from course like that, and we are going to convert it like that, and then I think that's okay now. So still there are other pages that you need or other code that you need to change. For example, inside this route here, we need to do that. So I'm going to import here. So let's import express, and we are going to import express from express like that. And then here also I'm going to initialize router from express router, and then here also I need to get this login user and register here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import. So let me make sure that I import. Need to import a login user and then also register user, this one, and I'm going to import it from now. I can specify the from controllers here, and also you can see user.js here. So this one also should be .js here, remember. And then here we can use this part here, and for this part here we need to change because you need to add here export default, and then we can just specify export default router. Also, when you save this, it won't work because we have not converted our here this what we are calling controllers. So I need to do that. So I'm going to import here. So let me import. So import what we are calling now the async handler. So async handler from express async handler like that. And then I think now here to export, you need to just come here and add export, and then that is it. So let me save here. So when I save here, you can see now our server is running very well. So for example, let me show you what I was saying. So if I don't add this .js here, like that, and then save, you'll be able to see that our server has crashed, and that is because it is giving me this error module not found, and you need to add that here like that. So if I add that extension there, so specify even the extension, you see that our server is running successfully. So that is that. I wanted to show you how you can convert your Node.js application from using CommonJS to using modules so that you can use import statement. And this is a very essential, because sometimes you find that in the front end you use import statement. So if you use import statement both in the front end and the back end, it will be easier for you. And also don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for those for more videos like this. Have a great day. See you on the next video.